pick up the kids.
Welcome, Diana. Drive safely. Earn your diamonds. Diana, you have message from Sarah. Want me to read it?
Sure.
Here is the message from Sarah. Hi. Can you please pick up Amina on your way? We are planning to play some basketball. She lives on Jogatan 88.
Enzo, reply. Okay, it's just gonna take me 15 minutes.
Message sent.
Enzo, what is the best way to get to Götgatan 88?
You'll be at Jogatan 88 in 10 minutes. Skip Ornsgatan for a green zone drive. Want to do that and earn another diamond?
Of course.
Okay, let's go. Take the next one to the right. Oil level low. You should fill it up as soon as possible. I can have a package of the right quality sent to your home for 160 krona.
Thank you, let's do that.
Order placed.
Enzo, call Amina.
Calling. Amina.
Hi, Amina.
Hi Amina, it's Sarah's mom. I'm picking you up in a few minutes.
Hi, Amina.
Hi.
Enzo, start Spotify.
Are you ready for this?
Great driving, diamond earned. Only 4 more diamonds left to catch this month.